Hi guys, welcome back to the TechWave solution. Today I will show you the best Windows 11 tips and tricks that make your PC faster, cleaner and easier to use. Let's get started. Start button location, go to the settings, personalization, taskbar, settings, behaviors, and then choose the position you prefer. You can move the start button back to the left or keep it center and just choose the position you prefer. Dark mode. Open settings, personalization, colors, then select dark. Switch to dark mode for the better focus and least eye strain. Default browser. Go to the settings, apps, default apps. Choose your browser and set it for all file types. Changing your default browser symbol like PDF or browser. Here you can select for a PDF browser and etc. and just set it as default. File Explorer tabs. Windows 11 now support File Explorer tabs. Just press Ctrl+T to open the new tab, just like a web browser. New keyboard shortcuts. Here is a few helpful new shortcuts. Press Windows key plus W to open the WinX, and you can use also Windows key plus N to see the notification center. Hide taskbar items. Go to the settings, personalization, taskbar, and disable any icons you don't use. You can clean up your taskbar by hiding items you didn't need it. Storage sense. Go to the settings, system, storage sense. Windows will remove temporary files, empty recycle bin, and free up space automatically based on your settings. Storage sense help you and your PC clean it automatically. So guys, if this helped you, subscribe to TechWave Solution for the more Windows tips and tech great